Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to be doing some trout fishing, but I'm going to be using and testing out my new BFS setup. It's a shorter rod and it's a round reel by Ifishband Tendershoot. As you can see right here, paired with the Magic Trout ultra light rod, 5'3". Try to get this rod and reel blessed today. The reason why I got this setup is for the Santee River. Because I need the shorter rod to get under the branches and stuff like that. So this will be a good compliment to the Santee River. You guys are going to see me using it a lot, maybe throughout this year. So if you guys enjoy watching this type of fishing, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, drop a comment if you like. Without further ado, let's get this BFS fishing day started. Peace. Alright, get this day started. Real finicky. Got one. Woo! Here we go. Huh? Oh, it's a small one. Alright. Alright. Yeah. Go ahead. One on the tender shoot.
Oh. Let's go.
Alright, thank you. A little small trout, no way. One on the tender shoot.
We both got little dinks.
Oh no, they are small.
You got a stringer for that?
Oh yeah. Let me just, like you said, up close.
Yeah.
And then the line just went.
Yeah.
There you go, trout on the tender
And
shoot.
he's getting himself.
All right.
Yeah, man.
On the drop shot. There you go. It's been blessed. All right, lake number 2. First trout of the year. First dink of the year. All right, let's keep this ball rolling. That's one for the book. We're at lake number 2. Hopefully I caught it live. Let's wash up. All right. It's been a while. I haven't been out fishing, but that's the first dink. They are here. I'll take dinks all day. We got the rod and reel blessed today, so let's do some more fishing. Peace. I think this power. Yeah. Let me change bait. That bait. That's what I'm using right here. Power bait, floating trout worm. Missed one earlier. Could have been 2. So I'm gonna re-rig. Drop shot. That's it. Can't wait till bass season. Really drop shot then. Oh, I'm not sure. He took off. He went that way, your way. Cast smooth. This whole thing's about 4 grams. So. Oh, for real? I don't see him. You see him?
No.
That's one. Got him. Oh, he let go. You got, oh man. I didn't even see him. Just, no way. He bet the, oh, that would have been, almost got him.
I will avenge you.
Damn, missed that one. So you just got here at 10, huh? That's pretty good. You got one. How about the man right here? He caught. Oh. A lightning, right?
Yeah.
That's a lightning. Hey, you take a bar net? Net? Okay. Yellow. Yeah, maybe. That was big. That's big. Oh, man. Hey, if it has the mini jig. Let's get him, bro. Damn. I told you they were biting right here. You ready? There you go, lightning, man. I'm trying to get the rod blessed. I got broke off. Woo! There's still lightning in here, man.
Yeah, the guy said he got one on Tuesday.
Oh, yeah? That's a lightning trout in there. Big boy. Ooh, that's a nice one.
In my homemade jig.
Homemade jig? I still got 4 of them, sir.
Yellow.
Yellow? Hey, he gonna fight for a while, huh?
I had 2 pounds line, so.
Yeah, I had 2 pounds. It probably broke me off. Ooh, that's a fighter. That's a lightning live. So I felt it, boom, it took off a snap. Man. Where is that? Over here? Okay. See, this is where we were caught it last time, remember? In the evening, see, they bite. A lightning trout. Yeah. Lisa, right? Hey, how you doing? Oh, okay. I got broken off one right here. I told him come. He got yeah. Yeah, that's a big one right there. Huh? Yeah, just jigging. Yeah. I got 2 too. It broke my line too. That's 2 pounds on that one. It broke. Hey, play him out there. I'm a jig over here. Try to get me one, man. Damn, I had one, man. Woo.
I think people don't get
Yeah. He bite it up close too.
Oh,
yeah. He wasn't far. He was close. Damn. I just want one lightning, man. If I would have got that, I would have went home.
Where is this guy at?
Huh? Oh, he's out here trying to get I got yellow too for lightning. Oh, damn. That's a lightning. Ooh, that's a lightning. That big boy right there. Big boy. Sergio, you need help? I just put my line there. Play him, man. I would too.
You get like 4 pounds in the line now.
How many pounds do you think he is?
7?
7 pounds? Ooh, maybe the lightning gonna hit later again. Ooh, wait. All right, I'm gonna net the lightning trout. Came to test out the reel, but
Yeah.
I would go home.
that would have been me. I would have went home. My goal is to get one lightning. Oh, hold on. Let me get this. All right.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
No, it's fine. All right. Are you ready, Sergio? You gonna bring him, right?
Yeah.
Okay, right here. Ooh, that's a good one, man. That's a good one. I don't want to eat him. I just want to look at him, man. Come on. He probably see me. Okay, we gonna wait. Ooh, that look nice next year. Next year.
Small ones.
Ready?
2 pounds.
Wow, that's a nice one. Ooh, yeah. Woo. Good job, Sergio. Good job. Woo, look at that. That's, man. Woo.
Yeah.
You gotta get a picture of this.
Oh, man, look how big he is.
Oh, you made it.
Yeah.
Yeah, he gave me 4 jig. I'm going to test it out.
Yeah.
I didn't get it, man, but
Next time.
next time. It's like a big old salmon. Ooh, that's a lightning, Sergio. Good job, man. Good job.
Oh, it's so beautiful.
That is nice.
Oh,
I gotta keep recording
it's
it.
beautiful.
Telling you, Lisa, that's what I want. Just one.
I was across there last Saturday.
Oh, you
and
got it? Did you
I
get it?
got my limits over there last Saturday, but
Not a lightning?
I saw everybody. No, they were all the
Oh.
rainbows. But everybody on this bank is catching it, so.
Look how big the head is.
7-pounder, huh?
Wow.
Yeah.
Look, I even got
Wait,
yellow
look
for
what
it.
happens right there.
When the transport, they get hit with the other.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Oh.
Woo! Good job, man. That's your jig, right?
You see what
He swallowed. He probably took it all in this.
here on the side.
Let's go. Ooh, right in the mouth. See, that's Sergio jig right there. I got a few. That's yellow, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Right in the mouth. Good, lightning. Woo! Hey, hold him up, man. Woo! How did it feel, Sergio?
So good.
It feels so good. Man, I bet.
Don't let
Damn, that's a fat mama.
No.
Don't.
Bring him up here. Yeah. Hey, show him with your jig, Sergio. Yeah, right here. You got more? Oh, okay. That's Sergio jig right here, yellow. And that's what produced today. Oh, look at that lightning. Woo! Good job, bro. Good job. Look, Sergio and his jig. I'm going to test out his jig. Not here, maybe next season, but I'm going to test that jig out at Lake Jen for sure, though. Look at that. Fat mama, 7 pound?
No, maybe 7.
I say, yeah, I say.
Yeah.
Yep. Look how fat he is. All right, man. Good job, man. Got him. Got him. 2 on the tender shoot. We're going to bring him up. There you go. There you go. On the tender shoot. Right on the mouth. See that? Lake number 2. The tender shoot has been blessed. Alright, come on. go the trout. Lake number 2. Ooh. Got 2 so far. Alright, I couldn't get this live. I ran out of. Alright, thank you for the net, man. Alright, thank you. Alright, there you go, my 3rd trout of the day. This time I was drop shotting with the Berkeley egg, changed the color up, and boom, there you go. Lake 2 still. Probably my biggest trout today, but it put up a good fight with the Tendershoot with the Magic Trout rod. Yep, I fully got it blessed today. Woo! Just unhook it, and we'll come back. Bro, right in front of this branch. Yeah. Alright, there it goes. Woo! Bigger than the one I caught me all day. We gonna string them up. Alright, here go my catches for today. Right here, lake number 2. As you can see, right under the pier. I missed 2, and I actually caught 2 under the pier, right? 2, and then right over there where everybody's at, that's where I landed my biggest trout. I also caught a catfish right here off a power bait, as you can see. So far this year on my BFS setup, it's been great. I've been landing fish. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that clip of Sergio catching that lightning trout, and people are still catching it. But until then, like always, hopefully you guys smash the like button on this. Good start to a new year, 2024. But like always, if you can, take a kid fishing and stay fishing. Peace.